It's Tuesday, August 26th, and we have some cold temperatures and no severe weather, so let's get right into it. Alright, starting all off on satellite, as we can see, we have a lot of rainfall happening over here. In Oklahoma, especially because we have slight risk of excessive rainfall. A lot of rain has been falling over here. We can see on satellite where just these colors like orange, heavy rainfall is in Oklahoma right now, Oklahoma City especially, where heavy rainfall is going to be a problem. Starting all off on our day one outlook, we have a general risk of, severe weather, which is no chance, scattered thunderstorms as I circle out these places, especially, Florida is summertime down there. We got humidity, heat, there you're going to see thunderstorms, and we have chances a lot on the west coast, actually in the Rocky Mountains, and we have a big dip in the jet stream that is allowing cold temperatures to dive in from Canada, and we have a huge ridge over here, and where these places meet, we have a lot of heavy rainfall that's happening in Oklahoma. That's where the jet stream, meets. And we have it lifted up, and right there where it meets, that's going to be heavy rainfall. And on our day two outlook, still the same scenario with, a lot of places seeing just scattered thunderstorms. It's just a general risk, no chance of severe weather. Day three outlook, just the same. We have a big general risk of severe weather, a big chance of it. Over here in the Great Lakes in Ohio Valley, we have a chance too. And literally with these storms, there's no chance of tornadoes. I will pull up the wind risk. No chance of wind and no chance of hail. This is actually pretty good. We don't have a general risk of thunderstorms, which is good. So let's get into temperatures and excessive rainfall. Starting on our excessive rainfall, we got that 5 chances of a slight risk of excessive rainfall in Oklahoma, Colorado, New Mexico, Idaho. Let me just circle these places. Arizona mainly. In California, we have one too. We just have a lot of places in and surrounding that. We have a level 1 out of 4 and marginal risk, 5% chance. You can see at the top of your screen we have a slight risk and marginal risk. The light green is marginal, and the slight risk is yellow, obviously. And down here in Florida, we obviously have a chance. It's only a small chance, but just watch out for flash flood watches. Day 2 outlook, the same thing. We have 2 chances of excessive rainfall, slight risk. They are bigger, though. It's from Missouri and Arkansas all the way up into Colorado. We circle this so y'all can see. In Idaho, mainly, Oregon, it touches Oregon and Wyoming, but Idaho is the main place to see excessive rainfall. And then from Arizona and New Mexico, all the way into Springfield, Missouri, all the way up into Washington and California, we have a big marginal threat for excessive rainfall. And on our day 3 outlook, we have just the same thing. We have excessive rainfall from Georgia all the way up into Idaho, Montana, Nevada, New Mexico. And then we actually have a better chance from Alabama to Oklahoma, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, just bottom part of Missouri. We have a slight risk of excessive rainfall. I think in our day 4 outlook, this could get moved over to where Georgia's at. And then Colorado, New Mexico, you have a slight risk of excessive rainfall. Let me see it on our day 4 outlook. There is no slight risk, but I think they will introduce one. And we just have a massive chance of excessive rainfall with a marginal threat. On our 6 to 10 day outlook, cold temperatures are going to dive in still from the Carolinas, Georgia, East Georgia, into Virginia. We have a 60% chance of below normal temperatures. We have one from Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, all the way into Oklahoma and Kansas for a 60% chance of seeing below normal temperatures, a big dip in the jet stream from, man, it's really big. And up here in Minnesota, it says on the 6 to 10 day outlook, we have a chance of seeing above normal temperatures, but currently right now over the next few nights, in the night, it's going to get down into the 30s. And some spots, mostly in the some spots, would be in the 40s. But International Falls, you would see 30 degrees temperatures, which is freezing. You might get a frost warning. Oh, when you wake up in the morning, see your cars and stuff, the windows are going to be frosted. You'll have to cut on that heat for sure. 8 to 14 day outlook, we have a blob of cold temperatures still in place. For cold temperatures diving into the United States from Canada. But on our 8 to 14 day outlook, I'm not really seeing cold temperatures going to dive in. I think the heat is going to get picked up, and on a 3 to 4 week outlook, we can really see that with a chance of above normal temperatures. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below your favorite colors so we can use it in the next video. When you see me draw like this, I can change the color, and so in our next video we can use that color around the map.